What's going on, everybody? Dennis Anthony. Are you looking to start making money with Clickbank? You're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to hop in behind my computer screen and show you how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing and Clickbank, and what a lot of you guys are doing wrong, and some things that you can do that you can actually start to be successful when it comes to affiliate marketing. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video. If this is the first time on my channel, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I try to do about 3 to 4 videos a week dropping knowledge on internet marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-com business, and so forth. So go ahead and sit back, and we are going to get behind the computer screen. And we're back behind my computer screen here. So the first thing I'm going to talk a little bit about is why do you want to make money online? Okay, if you're already currently making like a 6-figure salary, then I'm going to be really honest with you. If you're just looking to add an income stream and you're making 6 figures a year, affiliate marketing and starting an online business is going to seem like a lot, and you're going to be one of those people who is looking to, get rich overnight on the internet and stuff like that. And it's sad to say, but it just doesn't happen that easy, okay? Affiliate marketing and internet marketing and any business online, whether that be e-com, drop shipping, you have to treat it like a real business, okay? So you have to put the time in, you have to put a little bit of investment in, whether that be, if you're gonna go with free traffic methods, you need to, invest your time. If you're going to go the paid advertising route, you're gonna need to invest a little bit of money, okay? You're gonna wanna find a mentor, someone that you're gonna wanna learn from, invest a little bit into guides and instruction and stuff like that, just so you know where to be and know how to start out, okay? With that being said, I'm talking to people who, you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing and you wanna get started with Clickbank, okay? So the first things that you need to do is go over to clickbank.com and you need to make yourself an affiliate account. Once you do that, okay, you're gonna have access to this screen here, and I'm gonna show you the marketplace. So basically, I like to say, there's 3 niches, there's 3 categories: health, wealth, and romance. Okay, those categories are never gonna go anywhere. Everyone's always looking to better their health. You're always looking to make more money or invest or save, and you're always looking for romance, okay? I mean, it's age old, it hasn't changed. Obviously, outside of that, there's micro niches, like things like video games or things like home and garden or sports, stuff like that. The categories for those niches and the amount of people, the audience is going to obviously be a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to stick with the 3 major categories here, okay? So once you get into Clickbank and you have your account, you're going to want to go over to the marketplace. And once you come over to the marketplace, you're going to be on this screen here. So step 1 is create or affiliate account, Clickbank. Once you do that, now you're in the marketplace. So once you're in the marketplace, you sort in the Gravity. Gravity is a sales page. Do research on the product, okay? Now, when you do research on the product, there could be a number of ways to do research on that can be to look news on YouTube. And a big problem, a lot of people have been asking me in my Facebook, is that I have my hop link. What do I do with it? I posted it on Facebook. I posted my hop link on Instagram, but nobody made any purchases through that link. And you can't just go out there and start spamming your link. Okay, so you need to come up with a marketing plan, and that's going to be the next step, is to click, whether that be Google, book, or running. However, I do make, that's spelled wrong. A lot of people are starting to make money with Pinterest methods, which for me, it's going to sound very familiar again. Google, and with Google, your own blog, Instagram. I'm just going to put IG, you want to get your affiliate link. As soon as you get your affiliate link, you're going to want to research and find a product. Okay, when you're researching and finding a product, you're going to want to make sure that the gravity is over 50. Make sure that affiliates are selling it. Make sure that the product is moving. Then you're going to want to go to the sales page and start to do your research. Look up reviews, look up YouTube videos, see what's going on, see how these other people and other affiliates are promoting this product. Then you're going to want to create your marketing plan. Are you going to go the paid route, or are you going to go the free route? If you're going to go the paid route, you're going to want to learn how to, set up your ads and, create your pixel and do all these sorts of things. If you want to go the free route, Facebook, Google, by advertising on your own blog or your own website, Instagram, or YouTube. And for this video, we're going to talk a little bit about how you can do some marketing research through YouTube. And for me, I would actually say to get started with YouTube, it's very easy. Even if you do not like to be in front of the camera, there's ways like how I'm doing this here. You can do voiceovers, you can hire a spokesperson, you can get a friend to do it and just film them. There's so many different ways. You can create a slideshow. There's so many different ways that you can still get videos on YouTube without showing your face. Okay, so don't get caught up in thinking that you need to create this big YouTube channel where you need to put your face out there or your real name or whatever. You can make videos without having to do that and getting that personal. I think it works better when you do put yourself out there. However, you don't need to. Okay, so when you come to YouTube, I'm just saying that we're in the weight loss niche here. Okay, so let's just say we picked a product that's over 50 and we're looking to get into the weight loss niche. Okay, so here's a little trick that you can do to start doing some research. So if we're selling a product teaching people how to lose weight or it's going to help them lose X amount of pounds or any specific diet. So here's going to be our major keyword here, lose weight. Okay, we're going to put the dash in front of it and then we're going to simply just go down the list here. So if I type in aerobic exercise at home to lose weight, at home workout to lose weight, anime lose weight, a diet to lose weight fast. So you guys can see the idea here. And why this is cool is because YouTube is actually giving you search terms that people are actually looking for. So if you go through here, what is it giving me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's giving me 10 search terms and search phrases that people are actually looking for on YouTube. So what I would do is I would go through each one of these 10. Okay, I would go through each one of these 10, pull it up, look at the top 3 to 4 videos and see what these videos are about. Okay, look at them, watch them. I mean, this video is 5 minutes long, this video is 20 minutes long, this video is 8 minutes long, this video is 25 minutes long. This video is 11 minutes long. I would take an hour out of your day, go through and watch these videos and start to compile some notes on these videos. And then I would break these videos down, look at the titles, try to mimic these titles, not word for word, change them slightly, mimic these videos, and then recreate another video around what these top videos on YouTube are. Okay, so if I take this back here and I go back to here and I let's type in B, right? Best way to lose weight, best exercise to lose weight, bed exercises to lose weight. Again, guys, you get the point. We can go down and down A through Z and see what people are looking for on YouTube. This is a great way for you to get video ideas. This is a great way for you to promote your product. So then once you create your video, right, we're gonna go, let's just choose one of these products here. Let's choose this video here, okay?
How to quit sugar.
We're going to go through and we're going to watch this video. And obviously, if you look to their description here, lose belly fat, healthy eating plan. Okay, so and we're going to click this link here and we're going to see what these guys are promoting. Okay, so this is what they're promoting here. They're promoting a women's online weight loss course for $14.99. Okay, so guys, here's the big picture here. This video has 40 million views on YouTube. Do the math. If they were able to convert 1% of 40 million views to click this link and 1% of that actually bought that weight loss course, guys, I mean, this is for one video, okay? One video. So how you would do this to change it up, you would obviously watch this video, go through, write down the tips, see what the video is about, compile your own video, try to mimic the title, and in your description, you're going to put how to lose weight. What is the product that we're promoting here? We're going to go back here. How to lose weight with the Cinderella solution. And then you're going to include your affiliate link. I wouldn't just put your whole affiliate link in there. I'd go over to like a link shortener like Bitly or something. That way you can track the clicks and see where things are coming from. Shorten up that URL and put that in there. And guys, that's one easy way that you can get started and how you can get started today making money on YouTube and Clickbank. Okay, so let's finish this off here. Research on YouTube with the method that I just showed you. Watch the top 10 notes. Make mimic of the top 10. Okay.